Hi, everybody. So here is our sales pitch for our project management tools. And we are Team Converti, and that is Monica Tolosa, Jhon Orrego, Jhon McDermott, Anna Maya, and myself, Olivia Rusby. Okay, so in this ever-globalizing world with more and more international teams, efficiency relies increasingly on technology. Therefore, it is essential that the technology your company uses is the most up-to-date and that it specifically fits your needs. A lot of time at work ends up trying to figure out how to get things done rather than actually being focused on the work, and that can be a big problem within the company. It makes projects inefficient by causing delays and miscommunications because tasks are not appropriately managed and team members do not know when or what is due. For effective organization across the globe, communication needs to be focused and actionable so that a project manager will know the status of work happening across the team without having to focus on searching through email chains, status updates, and scheduling conflicts. Ultimately, project management tools help teams organize a collection of tasks to accomplish a specific goal. Task management and scheduling tools can help the team and project manager plan, manage, and execute their tasks by organizing all of the project information in one place. Companies often use a variety of software to try to keep track of projects, for example, spreadsheets, Word documents, emails, or notes. But having one place will make it easier to track these milestones and deadlines, as well as set clear deliverables. With these sorts of tools, it enables the company to spend less time worrying about the projects and more time accomplishing them. So, they can improve the following areas, such as transparency for all team members, effective team collaboration and communication, clear and easy to understand organization, and a central place for documents and status updates. The project manager can track the work of all team members to ensure both a high-level overview of everything being completed on time, but also to align the team to share thoughts and feedback across the different channels so everyone can collaborate more effectively. So on the next slide, we've analyzed 3 different tools, which we believe tackle task management and scheduling issues. Jhon is going to discuss Salesforce, Jhon McDermott is going to talk about ClickUp, and Monica will analyze Todoist. And finally, Anna will conclude and give our recommendations.
Thank you, Olivia. As you mentioned, specifically during these challenging times of pandemic closures, social distancing, and working from home, it is vitally important to use tools that allow us to keep in touch with our teams while continuing to deliver our business results. So that's why we are introducing to you this amazing and well-known customer relationship management tool that is Salesforce. This is the world's #1 CRM cloud-based platform that can be accessed from any device connected to the internet and see and perform real-time changes. It allows tracking different aspects of the relationship with internal and external clients during the planning, execution, monitoring, and closure phases of a business or project. Over 150,000 companies, both big and small, are growing their business with Salesforce. This tool helps team members to engage customers by opening an account and from there to assign contacts, call, and meeting plans. Documents related to each customer created or used at any activity can be attached or stored in the platform. Business opportunities and cases can be opened to be worked by different members of the team from the very beginning during client registration until business project termination, including valuable collaboration between marketing, sales, commerce, services, and IT teams who always work as one from anywhere towards the same purpose while knowing who is doing what in every transaction or activity. In the next slides, we can see that this last specific characteristic of knowing who is doing what, jointly with some other key features of Salesforce, are the ones that we consider very useful to do a very good task and schedule management. Some of the key features are security of the information and documents, tracing the time that each activity or case takes to be completed and comparing it against this expected, recording the actions and changes done by each person with a specific name, accessible tailored reports on each part of the project lifecycle, including stunning dashboards, and finally, interaction with emails and calendars to remember dates and meetings or to communicate changes or action needed.
Thank you, Jhon, and this takes us to ClickUp. ClickUp combines many PM tools in a convenient app. This includes process and task management, team collaboration, time management, and more. The workplace is organized in a hierarchy that allows you to manage any type of work from any type of team together in one customizable place. At the top, the workplace represents an organization unit, such as a large project or company. Spaces are designed to customize different areas of work, from simple content spaces to complex spaces like engineering. Folders contain lists of tasks and views. In each list, it is possible to add conversations, owners, priority, and other information on the project. There are various ways of viewing tasks. For example, you can add a Gantt or a board view to view tasks how you like. List items. List view is the overview way to view tasks in ClickUp. This view has the most flexibility and is your default view for tasks. Board view has a horizontal drag and drop interface, allowing the user to manage tasks as they move through your workflow. If you've ever been part of an agile team or used a whiteboard to organize tasks, you know the value of a good board. Box view allows the user to see and understand each team's members' workflow at a glance. The user can see who is overloaded and who needs more tasks, and they can rearrange tasks. Calendar view is your place for planning, scheduling, and visualizing when tasks are actually happening. You can also see all unscheduled tasks and easily drop them into the calendar to schedule them. The Gantt view allows you to plan time, manage resources, and visualize dependencies. The chat view forgoes the need for using separate apps and channels to communicate and allows chats to be assigned to specific tasks. And this takes us to Todoist. Thank you.
Thanks, Jhon. So Todoist is our next tool, and Todoist takes project management to its core. With Todoist, lists can be accessed by your entire team. Tasks can be given deadlines, and you can assign different responsibilities. The tasks also have the option for live comments, offering the ability to have a chat with your teammates on the set assignment right in the app. While this seems simple, it's the user interface that's the best. It allows for maximum ease of use. It was meant for visual people. The Todoist tool allows for things like scheduling weekly tasks, to setting reminders, to turning important emails directly into tasks. Todoist also has a function that sends a daily email at the start of the day with reminders on what tasks are overdue, upcoming, or pending, so that a user can begin their day knowing what is set to be finished by the end. One feature that can be frustrating on Todoist is that others can complete your tasks for you and even erase them from your to-do list. If you are a micromanager, as I can be, you may have left some things active and pending for a specific reason. To have these tasks completely removed can be frustrating, as there's no way to then access your archive tasks. A benefit of Todoist is that you can add files, be it Word documents, images, or even larger, into a list. This allows you to have whatever topic is up for display and all the collateral related to that topic right in the list with it. Another benefit of Todoist is that it plugs into any page or browser you are in. So if you come up with a task, you have no need to return to the platform. You can simply just do it using a keyboard shortcut. You simply press the plus on any platform, type out a task, and press add task to save it. Then later, when you log on to Todoist, the task will be right there. Finally, Todoist not only allows management of tasks, but actual projects. It has a project feature. This is through the Add Project button, and it's meant for web, Android, mobile. You just simply give a project a new name, even with an illustrative emoji, and you click Add Tasks. It's really great functionality in that sense.
Okay, so after hearing what my partners have told you about these three different tools, I'm going to briefly show a comparison between them all so we can end up selecting the tool that better fits the needs of task management, which is one of the most important activities we need to focus on when working on a project. Specifically, if we're working with multicultural teams working from different parts of the world. So we started with Salesforce, that is a CRM tool, cloud-based. It allows the communication with customers, helps you set meetings, organizing schedules, traces time of each activity, and it gives you tailored reports. ClickUp allows process management, task management, team collaboration, time management. It is customizable. It has this Gantt or board view, and it gives you chat and calendar. And Todoist is where you can have tasks, even deadlines. It has responsibilities that can be assigned to different users. Live comments for team communication. It helps you set assignments, allows you to set reminders. It allows team collaboration and allows you to add projects as well. So if we look into each of these tools' characteristics, we can deduce that Salesforce is the one that allows you strongly improve your relationship with customers. Todoist is very focused in task management, and ClickUp is a project management app that is designed to ease the life of every project manager and their teams. From allowing your documents to be imported from any other application to a project, each team member, to allow you and your team members to have a complete view of what has been done, which phase of the project each team member is, and setting an organized way to collaborate, we believe that ClickUp is the best tool for any team that is constantly working on different projects, and to organize each member activities and deadlines without losing perspective of any deadline. So thank you very much for watching our presentation, and we hope that our presentation gives you a better understanding of these tools and helps you take the best decision when choosing one that efficiently helps you with the project management process.